What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vin here, and thank you once again for joining me on this channel. Now, if you haven't before, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me, please. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what I think is the most commonly asked question in the watch community, or people that just want to own that one watch. They just want one watch and that's it. They want to spend the money once and enjoy that watch for the rest of their life. So yes, in today's video, I'm going to be going over what I believe is the perfect watch for that one watch collection. Now, many of you could probably already guess by my previous videos, or maybe you're new to the channel. Like I said, subscribe and check out my other material that I have. And my top pick for the one watch collection would be the Rolex Submariner. And no, I'm not going to say get the Rolex Submariner reference number 114060, which is the watch I have and reviewed on this channel and unboxed. Check out all those videos, please. But this is definitely the watch that you want for that one watch collection. And yes, you could get the one with the date as well. I won't be against you and I won't hate, trust me. But I just believe it's the best bang for your buck. The no date 114060 goes for $7,500, and I believe the date goes for $8,500, so $1,000 more. Even though today it's hard to find some stainless steel Rolex models, if you're patient and put your name down at AD, they'll call you back soon and you'll get that watch that you want. The reason why I think this is the best all-around watch you could get and it could fulfill that one watch collection for the rest of your life is because it just goes with any situation you go into. Okay, you go into the pool, go in the pool with it. You just hang around the house, tank top, shorts, underwear, I don't care what you're wearing in your house. This could be on your wrist and it does not look ridiculous at all. You go into a wedding, you go into work, no problem at all. This watch will just fit any situation. You could beat this watch up and it will keep on pushing through, trust me. I had this watch for 3 or 4 months and I already scratched up the bracelet a good deal. I have no clue what I did, but I scratched up the bracelet. I don't know if I was in the pool swimming and knocked it around, I'm not sure, but it could take a beating and it still looks sexy as hell, I'm telling you. It's right here. It is so sexy. Let's get a close-up actually. Look at that bad boy. Still kicking. Still kicking. So yeah, best all-around watch in my opinion. Built like a tank. You bang it up a few times, no problem. It's not a dress watch that you have to baby and you're afraid to bring it into the water, washing your hands. You're a little afraid to get water in it. As you can tell, I'm not into dress watches at all at the moment. I do appreciate dress watches, but at the moment, it's all about sports watches and watches that I could wear every day, no matter what. So I know it's a very important subject to many of you because you're just looking to spend the money once because yes, it is very expensive. Trust me, there's other options out there for one watch collections that would be great. But if you're looking for a Rolex or something in that nature, the Submariner is the best way to start. And in my opinion, the second best would have to be the GMT Master. But I just feel like the Submariner at this point just fits every situation there is. Sporty, casual, dressy, all the situations all in one. This will be on your wrist. And there's a reason why James Bond wore this bad boy also in the past. So thank you once again for tuning into this channel. This is the best one watch collection I believe you can have, the Rolex Submariner. Now, please hit that thumbs up button and please hit that notification bell as well so you get notified every time I drop a video. And thank you so much for tuning in once again, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Peace.